Good morning, folks. Welcome to QuantSat. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 18,194, where we shut shop in Nifty futures, 0.42% gains, 41,420 minus 0.1% Nifty Bank futures. Let's look at where SGX Nifty is pointing to. It's pointing to a 107-point gain, 18,300 thereabouts is expected to open as a Nifty Q, as one would say. So looking at the charts, close to 18,300, so 18,300, 18,500, and then 19,000 thereabouts is a major hurdle on the higher side. Supports being 18,000. 17,800, 17,500. Looking at the OI picture of Nifty, we are seeing a long built up on Friday. So looks like we are going to open up with a positive stance. So let's see how that pans out during the day. Looking at the OI picture, we are seeing a massive call built up at 19,000. So that's heavy call writing there. And other than that, as we are expected to open close to 18,300, we see some kind of concentration at around 18,600, 18,800 level. On the lower side, 18,000 happens to be the strong level as per the put OI. So that's the major support zone, and then 17,800. Looking at the Nifty Bank, again, 42,000 happens to be a strong level, 41,500, 42,000. Supports being 40,000 and 39,500. Of course, 41,000 is a litmus test. Intermittent support, and the major support, as I pointed out, is 40,000. That's the scenario. Looking at the Bank Nifty open interest picture, we are seeing some amount of shorts coming in. So, but then that's not a lot of it. So let's see how the day pans out. And with the positive rub off in Nifty, do we see a Bank Nifty also poised higher? Let's see how that overall picture evolves during the day. 41,500 happens to be the resistance point as per the call OI, and the next major level is 42,000. On the lower side, 41,000 and 4,500 are the major levels. Top gainers and losers: Amara Raja Batteries, Adani Enterprises, Exide Industries are the top gainers. ABFRL, Coromandel, and you have Hindustan Petroleum, which is on the negative side. Sectoral, as of Friday, contribution was 36 points positive from oil, 10 points from NBFCs. So that's on the positive end. Metals also on the positive end with close to 16 points. And 3 points positive from cap goods. Negative binge was seen from IT, 7 points negative. 12 points negative was private banks. 6.88 negative from pharma. So that's the index contribution for you. And looking at the built-up sector, long dekha gaya, auto ancillary cap goods, shorts, Bank Nifty stocks, IT, private banks. So one can consider a stock called BHEL. Let's see how that pans out. 80 plus levels should take it to higher targets, like close to 85, 90 levels, and possibly higher. Major support zone looks likely that if there is a breakout in this stock, then it could head higher. That's the hypothesis. And the major support zone is around 60. As one can see, but then intermittently what we see is 68 and 65 zone as a support zone. Longs coming in. So looking at the OI picture, 80 happens to be a strong resistance point as the heavy call OI is out there. And puts close to 70 mark is the major support zone. That's how we look at it. Bharat Forge is the other stock. 860 plus levels, one could witness, there is a possibility or for 880 on the radar or higher movement. Supports being 840, 850 level and 800 levels. Bharat Forge, again, we saw some amount of short covering coming in, but not much. And primarily we are seeing long unwinding kind of situation. So let's see how this stock evolves. And the breakout scenario is something which one would need to keep a watch on. 860 plus levels as we are seeing. Let's look at the resistance from here. 900 happens to be a strong point, which is the resistance which the stock would face as per the call OI picture. And the major support zone is around 800. That's the put OI writing. Looking at the ban list, LIC Housing Finance is the only stock in the ban list. Okay, so I would request everyone to please consult your financial advisor before moving ahead with trading in derivatives. And also please adhere to a strict stop loss as per your risk appetite. So that's extremely important. So let's look at what the scenario is. 18,000, 17,800 are the major supports. 18,500, 19,000. The resistance, considering the fact that we are close to 18,300 thereabouts. 41,000, 4,500 are the major supports for Bank Nifty. 42,000, 42,500 on the resistance. Sectoral long built up, auto ancillary, auto cap goods. Sectoral short built up, Bank Nifty stocks, private banks, IT. We already discussed the two stocks, BHEL and Bharat Forge. Resistance points 80, 85, support 68, 60. And for Bharat Forge, 840, 800 are the major supports, 880 and 900 are the resistance points. That's pretty much it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.